Hi everyone, welcome to my new video house color combination design ideas. Choosing the right color combination for your house can greatly enhance its curb appeal to create a welcoming atmosphere. One classic option is to pair a neutral base color such as a white or beige with a bold accent color like navy blue or forest green. This creates a timeless and sophisticated look for a more modern web. Consider using a monochromatic scheme where different shades of the same color are used throughout the exterior. This can create a sleek and cohesive appearance. Alternatively, you can opt for a complementary color scheme pairing color from opposite sides of the color wheel such as blue and orange or purple and yellow. This creates a vibrant and dynamic look that is sure to stand out. If you prefer a more subtle approach, try using analogous color which are next to each other on the color wheel like soft greens and blues or warm yellow and oranges. This creates harmonious and calming effect. Don't forget to consider the surroundings and articular style of your house when choosing colors, and always test samples in different lightings conditions before making a final decision. With these design ideas, you can create a beautiful and inviting exterior that reflects your personal style. Other design ideas for house color combinations is to embrace earthy tones for natural and inviting feel. Consider pairing warm browns with soft greens and creamy whites to evoke a cozy and rustic ambience. This combination works particularly well for homes nestled in wooded areas or surrounded by lush landscaping. To add a touch of sophistication, incorporate a scent of coral gray or slate blue. These color tones can provide contrast and depth to the overall color palette. Additionally, incorporating natural materials like stone or wood into the exterior design can further enhance the organic feel of the color scheme. Whether you prefer a traditional or contemporary look, earthy tones offer versatility and timeless appeal, creating a welcoming and harmonious exterior for your home. For those seeking a bold and contemporary look, experimenting with high contrast color combinations can make a striking statement. Imaging a deep matte black as the primary color for your house exterior, complemented by crisp glossy white and trim and accent. The dramatic contrast not only highlights structural details but also adds a modern edge to the home's appearance. To incorporate a pop of color and soften to strikiness, consider adding a vibrant front door in the striking hue such as teal, red, or mustard yellow. This not only serves as a focal point but also adds personality and charm. An other innovative approach is to use metallic finishes to add accent such as copper or bronze for light fixtures. door handles, and house numbers. These elements add a touch of luxury and sophistication, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. For a softer contrast, opt for a palette of cool grey balanced with warm wood tones. This combination is especially appealing for achieving a minimalist, Scandinavian inspired look that feels both inviting and stylish. By carefully selecting high contrast colors and through thoughtful accent, you can create a visual captivating home exterior that stands out of the neighborhood. If you are drawn to a more serene and coastal vibe, consider a beach inspired color palette of your house. Start with a soft sandy beige or warm taupe as the main color, reminiscent of sun bleached shores. Pair this with crisp white trim for a fresh and clean look. To evoke the tranquil hues of the ocean, incorporate shades of blue ranging from the pale sky blue to deep navy. These can be used for accents such as shutters, doors, or decorative elements like planter or outdoor furniture. Additionally, touches of seafoam green or aqua can add a refreshing pop of color, mimicking the hues of sea glass and adding a playful touch to the overall scheme. To complete the beachy aesthetic, add neutral texture like weathered wood, rattan, or woven rope details. This creates a relaxed and inviting atmosphere that captures the essence of coastal living, whether you are by the sea or landlocked. A vibrant or energetic look, consider using a bold and electric color palette for your house exterior. Start with a base color that makes a statement, such as a rich jewel tone like emerald green, royal blue, or deep purple. Pair this bold hue with contrasting accent in complementary colors such as fairy red, sunny yellow, or electric orange. These pops of color can be incorporated through features like doors, window frames, or trim details. To balance the boldness, consider grounding the palette with neutral tones like charcoal gray, slate black, or warm beige for elements such as the roof or ceiling. This creates a dynamic and visually engaging exterior that reflects your vibrant personality and adds a playful touch to your home's curb appeal. For a timeless and elegant look, a classic color combination that never goes out of style in the pairing of soft muted pastel with crisp white trim. Think of a pale powdery blue or a gentle blush pink as the main color of your home exterior. These soft hues convey a sense of calm and serenity, making your home look inviting and warm. The white trim not only brighten the overall look but also interest at the architecture detail of your home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.